this Hyundai 70D-9 with a bunch of broken front wheel lug studs. 3 of them broke. So we raise the front end on blocks, remove both the dually wheels, just use a pry bar to slide them off. We've got a 3/4 inch socket set with a 1 1/4 inch socket, or 32mm will fit it. Now all we've got to do, and luckily it looks like they're moving, is bash these old ones out. Like that. Bash the new ones in. I thought these were going to be an absolute bear, but the hardest thing looks like it's going to be getting the wheels on and off because they're so dang heavy. Alright, over and out for now. Alright, wasn't that bad. Nothing to it but to do it, as I say. So here we have 3 new studs. They got a flat spot that you can just line up on the back edge here, so they can't spin. Just tap them in. I'll get these dually wheels back on. We'll be rocking and reeling.